Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. How you all doing today? I believe you are doing fine. So if you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I am Pamela. In this channel, I share spiritual things that will help your spiritual life greatly. Go through my videos, just check them out. You will see one or two tips that will help your spiritual life in one way or the other. So if you love spiritual tips, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Without wasting time, let me just go straight into this topic, okay? Just like you see from the title, excel in any way you find yourself. Anything you are doing, be it you are doing a small business or a large-scale business, whatever thing you are doing, anywhere you find yourself, if you use this tip, you see that you'll be excelling. Anything you put your hand, you will prosper. Just get honey, organic honey. There are different kinds of honey. There are ones that they normally mix with other things. That one will not be active. Get pure organic honey. Some are sold in the supermarket, and those ones are actually very expensive, more expensive than the usual ones you can find if you are lucky to get it from your local market. So those original ones are actually very effective. They deliver the effect, like whatsoever thing honey will do, they will just deliver it. But if you make use of those fake ones, you will not get solution. You will not just get solution. So honey represents sweetness. It's going to make everything about you to be sweet. It's going to open doors. Like anything that represents you, that represents your name, will be prospering. This is how to make use of it. You have to get honey, okay, organic honey. Place it on your pan. Just add some few drops, or just add like 1 tablespoon on your pan. Then you start praying. Use your name. Personalize this prayer. Anywhere you find yourself, even if it's not your hometown, even if it's maybe you are living abroad, not your country, anywhere, call your name. For example, Pamela. Okay? Just mention your name, Pamela. That anywhere you find yourself, you want to be prospering. That this particular business I'm doing, this particular business you are doing, that you want to prosper in it, you want more customers, you want to be the top, like among the top, you want to be the head and not the tail. That anything that is making it hard for people to get, that in your own case it will never be hard for you. That as you go into a particular place, anything that is difficult for people, in your own case it will not be difficult for you. This particular thing, you can do it for your children, okay, for them to excel in their school, for them to excel in their studies. Just be mentioning your name. Personalize this prayer. After that, then you have to mix it, transfer it into your bath water, or transfer it into a small water, any quantity water. Mix it, mix the honey, okay, mix that small honey. After mixing it, use it to have your bath, or use it to wash your face. Wash your face, wash your hands and your leg, or just go ahead and have your parts all over your body. You have to do this for 7 days. 7 days. So this is something that even if you are seeing your period, you can make use of it. If you are a woman, it will not stop it. This is something that if you meet your partner, no problem, you can as well make use of this. Like if you meet a partner sexually, well, to just keep everything holy, it's best not to meet your partner. And also, if you are flowing, if you are on your period, just be true with everything before making use of this particular tip, okay? So by the grace of God, this is going to help you. Make sure you do it 7 days. You can decide to do it morning or night, once daily. Just choose any time, morning or night, but it should be once daily for 7 days. You see what will happen. By the grace of God, you start excelling. Anything you are doing, you see that you'll be making it. If you are doing a small scale business, you see that from there you progress to a large scale business. Anywhere you find yourself, you will prosper. Go ahead and try this honey tip. You see how God is going to bless you. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. Remain blessed as always. I will see you in my next video.